Here are some basics for the classroom in terms of the numeracy for young children. We start off with the wooden patterning blocks. This can be used from grade 0 right up to grade 3 or grade 4. It's a very nice concrete, chunky resource, again for supporting numeracy maths in the classroom. In grade R, it can be used as counters, or it can be used to follow patterns, or it can be used as a construction set. The teacher can pop it on the carpet in the morning and see how what the children come up with. It's also the basics of geometry, and I'll repeat it again under the geometric section, just showing that it can be used in multiple ways in the classroom. We then have what's called pop for addition and subtraction. The pop game is a really nice way of reinforcing early maths concept. The pop for addition and subtraction is the bonds of 10. Bonds of 10 are two numbers that add up to 10. This is addition and subtraction, so it won't ever be higher than 10, and the addition will add up to 10 and the subtraction will be less than 10. How this game works is the object is we're collecting tokens. So as a child pulls out one of the tokens, she'll answer the sum on it. So this is 5 minus 2, so the answer is 3. If she gets it right, she keeps the token. If she gets it wrong, she pops it back in. Then the next child in the circle will have a turn. He'll pick one out. He'll say 7 minus 6, and the answer is 1. If he gets it right, he keeps it. If he gets it wrong, he puts it back in. And so we go around and round and round until one of us gets 5 tokens. But if before that time we pull out the word pop, that means it's a penalty. All of our tokens have to go back into the box. So you never know who's going to win, and you also never know when the pop's going to come up. It's a great game because the competition is leveled by the randomness of the pop coming up, and children really enjoy it. Great way for reinforcing the bonds of 10. Very good for grade 1 where the skills are being taught. Very good as a reinforcer in grade 2, and also to develop children's speed with the bonds of 10. Bonds of 10 is a base of all maths. Children need to see and know the bonds so that they can work out when the next 10 is coming. Very good resource. Then we've got a place value chart. This is for showing where the numbers fit. So we have hundreds, tens and ones, hundreds, tens and units if the teachers prefer that terminology. And this basically shows children that 100 is a lot, tens are less, and units are the littlest. Shows place value. Teacher can hang it on the classroom. She can either bundle these into tens if it's easier for her. There are spares in here, or she can just have it as wholes, and the children can come up and count. Very nice for teaching place value. Another very nice resource are these write and wipe boards. These can be used with either crayons or whiteboard markers. How this works is the top number is the sum of the bottom two. So that number, if you put a number in there and a number in there, the answer will be the top number. The children then need to write out all the different sums, and once they're finished, it can be wiped off. It's very good for reinforcing that addition is different to subtraction. It's the opposite. So that minus that number is equal to that number, that minus that number is equal to that number, and the children get a chance to practice. On the other side, we have multiplication and division. So once they get to grade 3 or grade 4, they start needing to learn the skills of multiplication and division, and it works on the same concept. That times that would be the top number, that divided by that would be equal to that divided by that is equal to that, and they write the sums down. Very nice for reinforcing addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and very nice resource for inside the classroom. The teacher can have it on the carpet with a small group of children, or she can put them on the board and the children need to write the sums down. She can give them two of the numbers and they need to solve the third. There are lots of different ways the teacher can use this resource. I also have a balance bucket, which there are 2 buckets on either side where you can fill up with different things, water, rice. You can show different capacities. They are noted with measurements so that you can measure what you're weighing, and a very good graphic resource for showing weight, teaching weight in the classroom.